Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how you can create a digital signature only with your iPhone. So the application that you need today is Apple Notes. Open your Apple Notes on your app library. If you are wondering which icon that used by the Apple Notes, tap into this app library here and just tap Note, and then you just need to tap on it to open it. Now click the new documents. The next thing you need to do is just go take a look on this option. There could be this icon, you just need to tap it. Now if you want to create a new signature, tap on this plus button. There could be an option of add signature, just tap it. Now you already have this two signature, means that you already made this signature before. And if you want to add more signature, just go click add or remove signature. And now go click this plus button to create a new one. Now you just need to start scratching your screen, and then you just need to go tap done. And you're done. You already got the new signature. So whenever you already have the documents that you need to sign, just get this digital signature to sign it. That's for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you still have some questions, just drop into the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos.